Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve software testing with Selenium, full guide step by step clearly. To improve software testing with Selenium, start by understanding the fundamentals of Selenium. Begin with setting up your environment. Download and install the latest version of Selenium WebDriver. Choose a programming language that you're comfortable with, such as Java, Python, or C#. Ensure you have the necessary development tools installed, like an integrated development environment, or IDE. Next, configure your browser for testing. Download the appropriate WebDriver for the browser you intend to test, such as Chrome driver for Google Chrome. Add the WebDriver executable to your system's path variable. Now, create a new project in your chosen IDE. Add the Selenium library to your project dependencies. If you're using Maven for Java, include the Selenium dependency in your pom.xml file. If using Python, you can install the Selenium package via pip. After setting up your project, write your first test case. Start by importing the necessary Selenium modules. Create an instance of the WebDriver for your chosen browser. Use the WebDriver to navigate to the URL of the application you want to test. Identify elements on the page using various locator strategies, like ID, class name, or XPath. Perform actions such as clicks, typing, and form submissions using the WebDriver commands. Implement assertions to verify that your application behaves as expected. To manage test cases more efficiently, consider using a testing framework. Frameworks like TestNG for Java or PyTest for Python provide structure to your tests. Organize your test cases and use annotations if necessary to enhance readability. You can also utilize Page Object Model, or POM, for better test maintainability. This means creating separate classes for each page of your application. These classes will handle interactions, making your test scripts cleaner and easier to manage. Next, think about integrating your tests with continuous integration and continuous deployment. Using tools like Jenkins can help automate your testing process during development. Schedule your tests to run automatically whenever code changes are made. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.